Sometimes, as a result of a respiratory complication, we may face difficulty breathing or swallowing. To solve this precise problem, Amkay brings to you a portable suction machine which is primarily used for removing obstructions like mucus, saliva, blood or secretions from a person's airway. This machine has advanced airflow protection design that prevents pus and mucus from leaking into the machine. This machine comes with catheters which has 2 units, filters which has 2 units and suction conductor. Now let's see how the machine works. Connect the tubes to the suction pump. Connect the suction machine plug to power outlet. Press the I marked switch to turn on the machine. You can adjust the vacuum level by pressing the pressure regulator. Suction will automatically stop after the liquid reaches the liquid holder. Press the O marked switch to turn off the machine. Unplug the device and clean the liquid holder. It is very compact, lightweight and easy to carry. Now clean the internal obstruction of your body with India's most trusted brand, Amkay's Portable Suction Machine. It is also available on Amazon, Flipkart and other online portals.